So, yeah, my back is pretty sore now. Shoveled our half of the driveway. Not sure if we're going to be so nice to our neighbor this time. She hasn't lifted a shovel yet. So, we're going to wait and see what she wants to do. She'll probably end up just using our side. There's a big mountain there. A big mountain there. And down here you can see the road. I'm almost done. Punched through to the road. So, looks like our neighbors still have quite a lot of work to do. Some of them haven't even got started yet. See there our neighbor's car. This guy's car is pretty buried. So yeah, it was fun. Oh, and by the way, this is the sidewalk right here, so good luck with that.